Can you list some of the confirmed speakers? Again, we're recording September 22nd, 2025. There could be more, but who are the current speakers?
I hear this guy Justin is one of them. But we have Gary Leff is returning, and I got word, I think, but it's not 100% confirmed yet, that Ed Rella will be joining him. And I think many people in the Travel Miles and Points world know who Ed Pizza is. That's just being confirmed now. Anthony Curtis from Las Vegas Advisor is returning. Dia Adams is joining us this year. She does a lot of great content with family travel. One of her focuses is family travel. We have John and Christina Mahaffey this year from Vegas Advantage. This husband and wife team knows everything about optimizing your comps, table games, video poker. They're an incredible addition. I've been wanting to get them for a couple of years. So we're going to have even more of the casino stuff this year. Dave Grossman of Miles Talk is returning. Julia of GeoBreeze Travel. Carissa is also returning. And we've got Roddy Dunstan is new. He's from Living the High Life Secrets of Jet Setting Around the Globe for Free. Maria is new, and she has a site called Maria Points the Way. Angie from Award Travel 101 will also be speaking, and she is new. The person who is in charge of Podcasters After Dark this year will be Josh Duffy of Crap Vegas. He is returning. So I think it's a pretty good lineup, improving on what we've done before. And I'm really pretty excited about it.
Nice. Any chance for Bob Dancer or Richard Munchkin? They got me very much involved with the video poker about a decade ago.
That's an interesting one. I should talk to Anthony Curtis about that. Bug me about that. Bug me about that next week. Because we might be able to get it. If you go on TravelZork.com and you search, Bob Dancer used to write a bunch of series.
Oh, nice. Yes, and I know they
on
both showed their faces on Anthony Curtis's Las Vegas Advisor show. So they're definitely more public facing at this moment. And Bob, of course, used to teach video poker classes at South Point. So he's definitely much in.
And that's a little bit of my inspiration of the masterclass we're doing on Sundays. So just to say, we do have masterclasses this year. We tested this idea last year. This year we have 3 masterclasses. The first time ZorkFest will ever have a masterclass for casino comps and gambling. And we're going to do a little bit of that with regard to video poker, because I feel that's a really important area to look at. On top of that, our host hotel, M Resort, has excellent gambling, pretty much all 3-2 blackjack. They have great table limits, and they also have really good video poker. It's really nice having a host property this year where we could be really proud about the gambling options from a table limit perspective and also from the quality of the games.